softshell turtle. If you want to know how to keep this Trionychidae, stay tuned. Sorry, it's quite rain. Probably you hear the raindrops. So having them from baby is sometimes quite challenging for beginner keepers. That makes some people fail. Compared to snapping turtle and other bottom dwelling turtles, they are slightly different to keep. Their diet mostly carnivore. I feed them with fish, chicken, insect, arthropods, pellets. Either floating or sinking pellet will do the same. Since their diet are meat-based, the water will easy to get dirty. If you keep them without filter, change the water at least every 4 days to maintain the water quality. Like I mentioned before, that keeping them are slightly different from bottom-dwelling turtles. Don't forget to give them substrate in their certain age, about 0 to 4 months, because it's their natural instinct for hiding safety. So also for babies, it helps them to regulate their body temperatures. You can give them commercial sands, fancy sands, or a simple cheap construction sands will do the same function. Since construction sands came from their natural habitats such as river and ponds, softshell turtle also use sands to scratch their back when feel itchy. Okay, the rain is already stopped. The softshell turtle are very fast swimmer, ambush predators, so they need space depend on their species. By size, I only divide by 2 species on my opinion. The medium ones such as American spiny, Malayan forest softshell, and Chinese softshell, who can live in 1 meter square of water with 20 cm depth without filter. And the giant Asian turtle that can weigh up to 100 kg can live in at least 2 to 3 meters square with 70 cm depth without filter. Make sure the bottom are full concrete if you're not keeping them in aquarium, because they can dig tunnel to escape, and that is how they get their name of Trionychidae or three claws. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Now I want to show you how fast they dig the substrate. Okay, this is concrete sand. See, it's their habitat. Imagine if you don't have a hard concrete in your pond, they will easily escape your pond and go somewhere else. In my previous video, I introduced my softshell that was Chinese softshell turtle, a common pet originated from China. The Chinese government made rule for farmers to only breed this kind of turtle to farm for consumptions, in order to protect endangered softshell turtle being hunted and consumed. This kind of softshell are greedy in food, easy to breed, and grow very fast. That is why this breed is highly invasive potential if you let loose it in the place where they not belong. But above all, the softshell turtle have an aggressive character, curious for something new in their habitat, and territorial. So you have to consider if you want to place 1 or 2 turtle at the same tank. I wouldn't recommend feeding them with live meal, or it will increase their predatory instinct. And to make them less aggressive, a gentle scrub on the back can be applied starting in an early age. It's only for special occasions, such move them to another tank or place to live by grab them on the back of the shell to avoid their attack reach. This is how we hold them at the back of their shell in order to avoid the reach of the neck, so they wouldn't bite us. Okay, see, he's trying to bite me. Okay. Don't provoke them from the front of their eyesight or something bad will happen. In several cases I saw a medium size of softshell turtle, probably as big as a plate, is enough to make we lose our fingers with a single bite. They bite our fingers like this and then they pull it in. So in reflect, most of us will pull our hand and then our finger will be separated from the joint. Since they are not pet animal, need special place to keep and their lifespan can around 35 to 40 years, they are not recommended for average keeper. It's a serious long commitment to keep them. So you imagine you have a pet that can be passed to your children. But the good side of it, their life costs are very cheap. They're okay eating from byproduct animals. All you have to do just make your water and your tank clean so they can be displayed in healthy condition with their cheap life without worrying to go to vet or daily walk.